Hi! Be the owner of this luxurious resort home near the beach in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. You're back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. And my name is Christine and I'm your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell button to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Today I'll be featuring this one-of-a-kind, modern and contemporary brand new house located here inside a gated subdivision in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. And the beach is within your reach. This contemporary house has these special features: green technology, durability, sustainability, and smart technology. Now join me in this house tour. This property has a land area of 462 square meters and floor area of 360 square meters. And this can be yours for only 52 million pesos. We have two gates here. One is for the pedestrian and the other one is for the cars. And since this house is located in a cul-de-sac, then we have the luxury to use the extra spaces in front of us as our carport. Now, I think it can fit at least 4 more cars. What you will love the most about this property is the green spaces. It has a lot of open spaces in this house. Now here in this carport, in this covered carport, it can fit at least 2 large SUVs. And what's exemplary about this house is that they are using an on-grid solar power as the roofing for the carport. Now let's head on to the main house. Since I mentioned earlier that this property has smart technology features, then we have here the Live Smart Automated Home Security. And you can access this door through 5 ways. And one of those ways is that you can access this door through using your smartphone. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Here at the main entrance, we are using a swivel entrance door. And it's very heavy, which means it's very durable. And please do appreciate the grand high ceiling foyer. And from the foyer, we can see the Courtyard Infinity Bayou Pool. Now, I have a lot of things to talk about a bayou pool in the next part of this video. Don't you know, guys, that just a trivia that this house is typhoon ready or calamity ready because they are using a DECRA typhoon-resistant roofing. Kaya sa una, here in Cebu, we have been hit by Typhoon Yolanda and a lot of roofs flew. So the engineers and the architects are using this as an eco-friendly house. So one of the features of this house is the strong and durability. As you can see in these stairs going up to the 2nd floor, we are using a mono-steel stringer floating stairs. And in order for the natural airflow, we're using 6 Lourve windows. From the grand high ceiling foyer, we head straight to the living area. And don't you know, guys, a lot of the furniture that you can see in this house came from the Cebuano furniture maker to complete the luxurious home feels in this eco-friendly house. From the living area, we can see the pool. And in this pool, we are using a Bionizer technology, which means to say that we don't use chlorine in order to clean the pool. And also, we have here a spa jet in order to complete your spa experience while lapping through this pool or while swimming through this pool. Diba? Makikita nyo naman talaga that this house has a feel of a courtyard. That's the reason why that they're using a courtyard pool. It's actually an infinity pool. Now from the living area, let's head straight to the fully equipped kitchen. This fully equipped kitchen is modern and very minimalist in design. And also, the cabinets here and the cupboards are soft touched. And we have here the 5-burner gas range and also the island range hood. We're also using quartz for the island countertop as well as for this countertop. And to blend our minimalist design, this is one-of-a-kind fridge in order to top up or to complete the white thing in this area. To add up, we have this built-in microwave. From this kitchen, we head straight to the dining area. This dining area can actually fit a 12-seater dining table, but at the moment we are using this very nice furniture, a 6-seater dining table. And from here, the courtyard pool is also overlooking. Here at the ground floor, we have a guest room. This guest room can fit a double-sized bed, and it also has a built-in cabinet and also an inverter-type air conditioner. And then we also have our shared toilet and bathroom. As you can see, the shared toilet and bathroom is very modern and minimalist in design. And from there, we go straight to the service area and where the maid's quarter is. This is the maid's quarter with ensuite toilet and bathroom. And here at the back portion of this property, we have a lot of open spaces, which in the future you can still use if you have a lot of things. And we have here the shower area for those who will be using the pool. Now let's go back to the main house. As I mentioned earlier, we are using a mono-steel stringer floating stairs here in the second floor. And because of the Lourve Windows, natural airflow go inside the house. We are not using air conditioner here. And guys, mind you, that the second floor is open to below, which gives us the grand high ceiling foyer. Here we have 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bathroom. Now let's check first this bedroom. This is the junior master bedroom, and it already has an Inverter-Type air conditioner and also an ensuite toilet and bathroom. The ensuite toilet and bathroom has a built-in cabinet. Diba? Social, and it has its own safe. As you can see, that the ensuite toilet and bathroom has a very modern and minimalist in design. It's like you're living in a hotel, right? Social. Anyway, this bedroom can fit a king-size bed. Now let's head on to the other bedroom. This is bedroom number 1. And bedroom number 1 can fit a queen-size bed. Guys, I forgot to mention earlier that all the rooms are already cable ready and internet ready. Not even the rooms, but also the ground floor is already internet and cable ready. So we also have this split type inverter air conditioner and also a built-in cabinet with a safe. All of the cabinets has safe. And also we have here a sliding door heading to the ensuite toilet and bathroom. The same with the other bedrooms, the ensuite toilet and bath is also modern in design. This bedroom has a balcony connecting to the master bedroom. Let's check it at the master bedroom. Now this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is very huge that it can fit also a king-size bed. And the same with the junior master bedroom. This bedroom has an ensuite toilet and bathroom and a minimalist design for the toilet and bath. Wow. It also has a built-in cabinets. And here, this is the cabinet for your bags and shoes. Now, this master bedroom has its own wrapped around balcony. And this balcony here is shared by bedroom number 1. And it's overlooking the courtyard pool. Not only that, we can also from here our green spaces. We have here the porch, which is also very ideal if you're gonna put some outdoor chairs or hammock and tables here so that you can dine together with your friends and family. So let's wrap up everything about this property. This property has a land area of 462 square meters and a floor area of 360 square meters. This house is an eco-friendly house which is built for calamities and typhoons. We are using a DECRA typhoon-resistant roofing, and also the stairs, we're also using a mono-steel stringer floating stairs. And then we also have the Lourve Windows to keep the natural air go inside this property. We have here 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath, 1 guest room with a shared toilet and bathroom, and a maid's quarter with an ensuite toilet and bath. And this house has a solar power in the carport. The pool there is using a Bionizer technology, which means to say we don't use any chemicals in order to clean the pool. Now this house is priced at 52 million pesos. Should you wish to have a site tour of this property, please do not hesitate to call us at 0917-7999-429, or you may send us an email at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com. You can also search us on Facebook, Cebu Elegant Properties. Once again, my name is Christine and I am your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. With Cebu Elegant Properties, we turn your realty dreams into a reality. Thank you and stay safe.